Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Dogecoin on Binance app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, in order to purchase a Dogecoin on Binance, you need to make sure that you have a verified Binance account. So if you don't have a verified account on Binance, then I will put my link down in the description box as well. So you can use that link and you can get up to $100 worth of trading fee rebate on Binance. Now, once you have successfully logged in into your Binance account, you need to make sure that you have enough USDT in your account. In order to do this, you will have to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see the amount of USDT that you have. So if you have enough amount of USDT, you need to come to the home page again, and then in the search bar you will have to search for Dogecoin. Now once you type Doge, you will be able to see bunch of different pairs of Dogecoin such as Doge/USDT, Doge/FDUSDT. So as you want to purchase it with USDT, you will have to tap on Doge/USDT pair. After that, you need to tap on the buy button in the bottom. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend on purchasing the Dogecoin, and then it will show you how much Dogecoin you are going to get if you spend $50 of USDT onto it. Then you need to tap on this buy Doge button in the bottom, and then your order will be placed and you can view them in your wallets. For that, you need to tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and in this spot you are going to see your Doge coins that you have just purchased on Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.